What, Howard? It doesn't look anything like the sign. Who even asked you? Howard, she can't do it himself. Good morning, Earthlings. Well, I've moved myself from Margie into Wilma, and I'm completely living in there now. I wondered how it would be to be in a smaller space. I've never lived in a space this small, but actually, it's going pretty well. I moved in really slowly, so I packed all my stuff in so that it fit just right where it's supposed to be. I gave myself lots of time, but the first night I slept in there, I kind of woke up in the night, and where am I? But then after that, I was so comfortable. There's plenty of silly room, and I'm gonna start feeling creative soon. That's what this vlog is about, me moving into Wilma, but it's also, I'm going to be kind of thinking about how I'm going to get my mojo of painting back. I have a new class for you. It's painting dresses. Whoa, we're gonna learn the properties by making, what? Woo! Did you see what happened there? That is what's fun. It's wet, and this red is just turned this whole thing. Let's go into Margie, and I'll show you what it looks like empty. Wow, it's really doesn't have me in it anymore. I tried to clean it up as much as I could, but when I got it, remember, it was a mess. I'm gonna miss the view. I'm gonna take my chair somewhere and the card rack. Other than that, oh wow, here I lived in here. I'm completely gone out of here. I just have to clean it a little more. I'm gonna sure miss the skylight. So I guess this is goodbye. Goodbye, Margie. I fixed her up for someone else to live in. And I was able to live in for here for, I don't know, some summer. But now it's time for someone else. So I'm gonna pray over her now. Father, yeah. I don't have my prayer shawl. Pretend. Okay, Father, yeah. I just thank you for this place that you gave me free to live in. You love me so much, and I thank you. But now, God, I just give it back to you. And I just pray, God, that you'll put someone else in here that needs a home. And that they'll improve it even more. Because I can see there's things here that really need a handyman. So, Father, yeah. I give this place to you. Thank you, yeah. Now I can move on. Oh, thank you, Father. I was hanging out with Jones today, and he had a question. What was your question, Joe? Why don't they make cat food out of rats and mice? That's what he wanted to know. Beavers. Beaver. Hey. We'd have beaver cat food. He says they can't make it out of beavers. Can't make it out of beavers. Why not? Well, beavers they wouldn't be good. Any other questions for me, Jones? No. I guess it's enough from Jones. It was a pretty good question, though. Thanks for your question, Jones. Okay. I put a lot of myself into that place. You remember me working on it. Alright, here's my new home. I wrote Shalom on the door, but I haven't painted her yet. Painting's coming. I don't know what kind of noise we got in here. So when you walk in, you're going to find these special things. And you got socks, drawer. Yeah. This is my entire closet. I'm glad you can't see in there. I put this light up, and I covered it up because it was too bright. Now I de-scared the bathroom by putting a light in. I put that in myself. So if the fire people come that's I did it. I did. So I was thinking I needed a really great place for my vacuum cleaner. My vacuum cleaner, his name is Dyson, and he doesn't like be putting in the bathroom because he thinks it's secondhand to be stuck in a bathroom. And Dyson's a really good vacuum cleaner, but I found a place for him. He's gonna sit there nice. He's happy here. And there's my little toilet. Yeah, I get to empty that once in a while. Oh, yeah, the sink isn't working yet. But look, I got all my stuff in the vitamins. Ah, that feels like home. The great part about this bathroom is I didn't do the floor yet. So it's like being on a trampoline in here. I put my little refrigerator there. But I'm going to build this. I'll do this something this ugly. I got a drawer with tools. Most important thing for me are my tools. And then, like I put my heater in there. So it's out of the way. Now this is my living space. I get all the stuff that I call mine that I want to keep for me is in this room. I got my kitchen set up really sweet, huh? But I'm listening to marimba music. I love it. I really do. I can't turn it off. Here, I can turn it off this way. I gotta put it on the screen. Look at that. Neat, huh? I had to figure that out myself. Okay, so there's my bed. Does it look like a couch? It's nice. It's nice. And we're tipped. So my head goes this way. But it's so comfortable. You can see my neighbors. The Dan Patrick Show is over there. And his new girlfriend, she's in there too. But I got my place all set up, my sewing machine, books. This is stuff. Here, look at that. That's my chair. And I got serious stuff. And that's where my ball goes. See, my ball wanted a place where it could always be put in the same spot so it's not bouncing all around. After I took out that seat, it made that space a huge, nice living space. So that's my home. So I'm going to start getting ready to paint because once my body moves, I've been trying to trick it to think that, I'm not really moved. I just went from there to here. But there's no trick in my spirit that paints. It's got to settle down. There's like an inertia. It has to settle down before it. But I'm going to say, hey, I'm a professional artist. I can't slow down. I can't wait for inertia. I've got to get busy. So I'm going to christen this place. I've christened it my home. It's my home. But now I'm going to christen it my studio. You're saying, well, Cher, what happened to Dottie? Well, Dottie's over there, but all the stuff that I didn't want to put in here, I put in Dottie, so she's stored right now. I kind of decided that the sign isn't going to look exactly like the old sign, but I'm going to kind of make it look as close as I can, because I want to use my creative genius. So if it doesn't look exactly the same, that's okay. I am going to look at it as a reference. I'll put it over there by Howard. He can watch the sign. Don't let it fall down again, Howard. What do you mean you don't like it? I didn't even really do anything yet. Oh, you don't like it's not round at the top? Well, let it sit in there. I spray over it if I don't like it, does it? I hooked up the water and it works. It just works a little too well. I turned it off. I did turn it off. Anyway. I know it doesn't look great, but it's the first step. Well, it's fun putting together a new home. I really love it. I was telling you, I have a dress class, and these are fun. This is your next class. We're going to do that next. And I think Dan Patrick's is going to come in and put my water in. Oh, yay, Dan Patrick's. Anyway, until later. I'm going to work. And obviously Howard's working too. He's taking care of the tools. I had to pull them up because I was going to pull the bathroom floor up. Yeah. Anyway, until later. Thanks for joining me. I'm moving in my tiny home. Hope you find your yacht. I'm going to work.